back on former home turf. That's the situation of 3 of the Bavarians training right behind me. Pepe Reina, Thiago Alcántara, and of course, Pep Guardiola, who spent 15 years of his career here in Barcelona. A rather unusual situation that many consider an advantage going into tomorrow's Champions League semi-final. But is it really such a blessing?
Que Pep tenga un conocimiento.
Pep Guardiola obviously knows everyone at Barcelona very well, but I don't think that will decide this game.
Pero no considero que vaya a ser determinante para lo que es el partido.
Advantage or not, Pep's boys are using every minute to train and adjust details until the very last second. They're up against an excellent Barca led by Argentine football legend Lionel Messi, who tries to silence those convinced that this time the clash of European football giants will be an easy one for his team.
There are no favorites in the Champions League semi-finals. Every team has great players. That's why it's going to be an open game. I know Pep and Bayern Munich well, and they always come up with something new and surprising. However, we have had many problems and challenges this season already, and have always been able to solve them.
Pep Guardiola's life as a Bayern coach is made ever so complicated by the long list of injured players that just doesn't seem to want to end. Now, Sebastian Rode had to stay behind in Munich because of a muscle injury, but good news is that Robert Lewandowski, who recently broke his nose and jaw in the DFB Cup semi-final, seems to be a go for Wednesday's match.
Heute wird trainieren und nach dem Training
Robert Lewandowski will train today, and after the training I want to talk to him. Of course, I need 11 players who are 100% fit, and I want to know how he feels with that mask. If he is fit, he will definitely play, but it does depend, of course, on his physical condition.
Wird spielen, aber es hängt von seiner physischen Kondition.
No matter how big the difficulties, the Reds enter the match with the unbreakable will to win. It's the only trophy left on their menu, and they're still hungry.
Ja, wir wissen natürlich die Bedeutung der Spiele jetzt. Für uns ist es so, dass
Obviously, we know how important these matches are. We already won the Bundesliga, and internationally, the Champions League title is the only trophy left to play for. Unfortunately, we already went out of the DFB Cup competition, so we will try everything we can to qualify for Berlin. I am optimistic we can reach the final.
Ich bin guter Dinge, dass wir ins Finale einziehen.
And that's exactly where we want to see them too. But first, we have 2 very exciting matches ahead of us. And as always, you'll find out all about them right here. Don't miss out. See you next time. Bye-bye.